Hello friends, this is Aditya and you're watching Electric Vehicles. Friends, today we have Mr. Krishna Prasad and Mr. Sushil Kumarji with us, who are the managing directors of Eeshwar Vaahan Pvt.Ltd. Usually they do retrofitments to the scooters and bikes. So Krishna Prasad ji, please tell me about your company. What is the motive and what is the initiatives you are doing?
Yeah, actually this Eeshwar Vaahan Technologies Private Limited we established with three objectives.
Okay.
One is sale of EV vehicles, service to the EV vehicles, and retrofitment for existing petrol vehicles.
Okay.
So these vehicles can run, especially these retrofitting vehicles can run both on petrol as well as on the electric.
Okay.
Naturally, EV being a new technology in the market, and it's also a trend now. So people are now converting to EVs basically. But the question arises, what should I do with the existing vehicle? Either they have to sell it off, or and then they can buy a new EV vehicle. But the problem is with the range. Okay, so unlike on the petrol vehicles, you cannot just fill and move ahead like that. So with that intention, what we invented is that a two-in-one vehicle, what you call so-called hybrid vehicle, which can run both on electric as well as on the petrol.
Okay, how it works basically, what is your technique?
Technique is that, see, we fit a hub motor to the back wheel. Of course, a controllers for that, and safety control circuits, and necessary accessories to monitor the battery capacity, charging port, and a changeover switch for petrol and electric. Basically, this is the concept. So as long as your battery is sufficiently charged, you can run on electric, and once the charge is over, or any time you wish, you can shift to petrol and go to any place you want. So basically we are solving the range problem here, as well as giving the benefits of using EV in terms of cost, in terms of pollution, or in terms of safety. So these three keeping in mind, we brought this concept to the market now, and we have done around 150 vehicles so far, and I have very happy customers who are spending, I mean to say 90% time they are on electric only, and rest of the time in an unplanned journey mostly they are getting to petrol. That is how the concept is working out now, and we started at a small scale. Now this is a success. We are established a private limited company with a distribution network and dealership network, and we are expanding now.
Okay, Sushil Kumarji, where did you place the battery in this bike?
At the place of
in the boot space you fitted the battery, right? Okay, how many kilometers it can run on a single charge?
50 to 55 kilometers.
Okay, Krishna Prasad ji, what is the top speed of this your retrofitment motor?
See, it can go up to 55 kilometers per hour speed. Of course, the more the speed, less the mileage for you. But optimum speed will be 35 to 40, which is sufficient for any city rider.
What is the capacity of the battery and the motor which you used in this particular bike?
We use around 1.5 kilowatt battery and another 1.5 kilowatt battery, so that they can run for 50 to 55 kilometers without any hassle.
So Sushil Kumarji, I have a small doubt on this bike. For the scooty purpose vehicles or these mopeds, you fitted the battery in the boot space, right? What is the position of the bikes? Where did you fit the battery?
In the place of luggage, which is in bike, we fit the battery.
Is there going to be any wobbling issues or?
No, naturally people are used to luggage boxes side by.
But the weight of the battery will be more.
It won't be more than 12-13 kgs. So there should not be such problem. But definitely you will feel something is on the back side, but it's not going to be a problem for any rider.
So what may be the cost of converting an pure petrol bike into this two-in-one vehicle?
It depends on type of battery, and the motor and the type of vehicle also as well. It can range anywhere between 35,000 to 60,000, depending upon battery warranty, battery capacity, battery type, and depending upon certain vehicles. Certain vehicles boot is bit bigger, so they want more capacity battery. Like that, you can play around in between 35 to 60,000.
Okay. For instance, let's take the example of an Activa. What will be the cost of converting an Activa?
For a perfect conversion with the 3 years warranty battery, it will cost you 60,000.
Okay. By spending 60,000, how much we can save on the fuel expenses?
Yeah, definitely that question arises. The cost of the vehicle is almost 60,000, and I mean second-hand vehicle, and I have to spend another 60,000. The calculation here is that if you run on petrol, it is approximately 3 rupees per kilometer plus service plus maintenance plus all that comes into picture. But when you run on electric, it costs you only 15 paisa per kilometer. So you are literally saving 2 rupees 85 paisa per kilometer. And if you run for 50 kilometers a day, approximately 130 rupees you are saving per day. So mostly in a year, you can get back your cost. Plus another 2 years warranty is still left out. That would be a bonus for the customer. And definitely they can enjoy the ride. They can economically save their money. And of course, nevertheless, the environment is also clean.
That's the main motive.
Yes.
So my biggest concern is that nowadays we are seeing the explosion of the batteries incidents. Like, what are the safety measures you are taking with your battery?
So, considering the problems that are arising out of lithium-ion batteries, right from the beginning, we shifted to lithium ferrophosphate batteries, where they never blast, and of course we have sufficient safety mechanisms installed within the system itself. So in any case, there is 1 in 1,000 case that something can go wrong. Otherwise, all my customers are happy. They are using this retrofitted vehicle since last 2 years, and they are struggling to fill the petrol by spending 250 rupees after 3 months.
So they are practically running on the electric itself.
Yes.
So usually how many days do you take to convert a pure petrol into this 2-in-1?
For scooties, it's 2 to 3 days, and for bikes, it is 3 to 4 days. Depends on the type of the vehicle, because every vehicle has its own wiring diagram, settings, and all that are there. So it's like a tailor-made solution for every vehicle.
So you have to figure out the problems.
Yes, but it is possible. We don't take more than 3 to 4 days for any vehicle.
So my last question is this legal?
Pure electric conversion is 100% legal. We are ARA certified this thing. Hybrid is, I never say that it is illegal, but we are trying to make it, legalize it. You know, see, there are compared to number of electric vehicles on the road, maybe 1,000 times two-wheelers are available, petrol vehicles are available on the road. So if I do this and legalize this also, at least 5% of the vehicles also converted like this, out of 33 lakh vehicles on the road. So definitely there is an impact on the environment. There is an impact on the sound pollution. There will be impact on the expenditure. Cost of running, savings. Everything is beneficial. So why it cannot be legalized? That's what we are fighting for, and we will do it.
So wish you could achieve this soon, sir. So friends, this is all about the conversion kit and its knowledge. I think this video is useful to you. If you have any further doubts, please let us know in the comment section. For now, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe Electric Vehicles. See you in another interesting video. Until then, go green,
Go electric.